This video is about shortest distance from a point to a plane. Point P, x0, y0, z0. For the plane pi, ax plus by plus cz equals d. Find the position vector on the plane pi, label as q. Then connect PQ. The reflection point of P on the plane pi is P prime. So P prime equals shortest distance D. From this point Q, let's draw the normal vector of plane pi. Label this is theta, then this is theta, then cosine theta equals, use dot product, vector n dot vector qp all over absolute value of vector n times absolute value of vector qp. Both sides times absolute value of vector qp. We got absolute value of vector qp times cosine theta equals vector n. We know vector n equals a, b, c dot qp over absolute value of vector n. Let's connect qp prime. We got this right triangle. In this right triangle, qp times cosine theta equals d. We can write down absolute value of vector qp times cosine theta equals d. This is the shortest distance d equals normal vector n dot vector qp all over absolute value of vector n. Let's label the coordinates of point Q, Q1, Q2, Q3. So we get vector QP equals x0, y0, z0 minus Q1, Q2, Q3. Vector n is a, b, c. Dot. Do the distributive property x0, y0, z0 minus a, b, c. Dot. q1, q2, q3 all over absolute value of vector n. We got ax0 plus by0 plus cz0 minus, check this. We do know normal vector n dot position vector q1, q2, q3 equals d. So minus d. Absolute value of normal vector n will be square root a squared plus b squared plus c squared. Since we are looking for the distance d, we will put absolute value on the numerator. And this is the shortest distance formula for a point to a plane. Let's go to example. Find the shortest distance from the point P to the plane pi. First step, change this into equal to 0 form. Negative 9x plus 3y minus 2z minus 32 equals 0. Then this is x0, y0, z0. This distance equals absolute value of negative 9 times 1 plus 3 times negative 2 minus 2 times 0 minus 32 all over square root negative 9 squared plus 3 squared plus negative 2 squared equals, we got positive 47. Denominator, we got square root 94. 94 cannot be divided by 4, 9, 25, or 49. So this is a simplified square root. Then times square root 94 top and bottom. We got 47 square root 94 over 94. Reduce equals square root 94 over 2.